What's going on, guys? Surgeon's Tech Tip. So I hope the microphone sounds okay. I'm using the clip-on USB microphone from Radio Shack, $7. Kind of worth the money. I got it for free, but the friend who gave it to me said it was pretty good. So I don't actually have my intro anymore because my flash drive decided to fry on me. If I do find it, then I will put it in the beginning of the video instead of cutting it out and then saying something what I'm going to do, then do that. But you will still have the outro because I do actually have that. So the first thing I'm going to be showing you how to do is how to get WinAeroTweaker. Now the reason I'm showing you this is because you can disable so much stuff. You can tweak the crap out of Windows. This will work for Windows 7 on up. It may work for Windows Vista. I'm not sure if it supports it, but this software is really good. If you don't like Windows Defender, this will help you out. And Cortana, it'll also disable the telemetry. So the first thing you want to do is go to your browser. Now the reason I'm using Microsoft Edge is because this is a fresh install of Windows. Oh, excuse me. So now what you want to do is you just want to go to google.com. Now, I'm going to put the WinAeroTweaker in the description below so you guys don't actually have to search for this. It's going to be a lot easier. Now, if you're watching this on your phone, you can do it through there as well. You're not going to be able to download the software on your phone, but you can find the video of mine and then find the link there, or you can search what I'm doing. So what you have to do is type in WinAeroTweaker. Apparently I don't know how to spell. Click the first link. If you're looking it up, but if you're not, there should be a link in the description. You should be able to scroll down to down here where it says download WinAeroTweaker. Hang on, I gotta put OBS here so I know I'm recording. And then you're gonna want to scroll down to download WinAeroTweaker. The download should appear down here if you have Chrome, but if you have Microsoft Edge, it should appear here. Click Save. Now one thing I will show you is do not click on any of these ads. As you can see, it says ads. Do not click any of the ads, especially if it says like Windows or download me or something like that. Don't click that. That's just the ad to get either spyware or even malware on your computer, so just be careful with that. So once it's done, you can go ahead and click open. I'm going to go ahead and close this. And if you don't know where it is, it should appear in your downloads folder right here. So now what you have to do is you have to right click extract all. You do not need WinRAR or even 7-zip or Z-zip or whatever zipping software you have. You don't need one of those. You can just click extract. Now if you have that software, it's still going to do the same thing. What you have to do is you have to click the setup software. This will also be a review. I'm going to try to edit the video as much as I can. It's going to ask the USE, so just click yes for agree or allow. So this should appear. So you're going to click next, next, I accept, next. Now, if you want to change where the installation is, you can go ahead and do that, but in this case, I do not because I'm on my laptop. Go ahead and click next, and click next. You can mess with any of the settings you would like. It doesn't take very long to install, especially if you have a hard drive. I've noticed it doesn't take very long. So what you want to do is you want to if you want to check ROM, that'll work too. I usually uncheck it then open it myself, but my desktop icons are hidden because I think it's easier. Now, another thing about the software is it's actually going to show you your specs. So if you don't know your specs, this would be another good software, unless you don't know how to, unless you know how to look at it, because you can just go here to the device manager and look at some of your specs. Alright, so you can see my specs. I got the APU, the A4 3300M. Now, one of the things I want to show you is if you actually scroll all the way down, disable telemetry, go ahead and click yes. You will have to restart your computer to do most of this, but still. So I'm going to disable Cortana. I'm going to disable the built-in administrator. And I am going to scroll up. I need to find Windows Defender right here. Disable Windows Defender. Now you can do this if you want. It's going to say it is possible to enable detection of potentially unwanted software, PUS, adware in Windows Defender. Tick this checkbox above to restart your PC. And restart your PC, sorry. I'm also going to disable the Windows Defender icon, so all you have to do is uncheck that. So what you want to do is when you're done setting all the settings you want, you can do the File Explorer, you can tweak that. You can also go like this. So let's go to, you can change the wallpaper location. I usually turn up the wallpaper quality all the way up. You can also do show Windows version on desktop. I prefer not to have that. You can also do increase taskbar transparency level. I'm not really sure why I can't say that, because I can say transparent, but I cannot say transparency or whatever it is, sorry. You can also disable the Action Center if you don't like it, but in this case I have it because I can just quickly get to this stuff here. You can also change some of the settings for the desktop and taskbar, the boot and logon screen. You can change the behavior, so you can disable the Win Aereo Snap, the app lookup and store. You can do appearance settings, you can do icons, you could do the spacing between them, which is nice. You can do menus, message, you know, Windows borders and all that other stuff. You can also do the Aereo Light theme, which I'll show you what it looks like. I really don't prefer it. I'm not sure why, but I really don't prefer it. I mean, it looks okay, but in my opinion it doesn't, so I'm not really going to mess with that right now. I'm going to fix my wallpaper again. So that is Win Aereo Tweaker for you. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, let me know in the comments below. Liked the video if you liked it, dislike if you thought it sucked. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys are new. Thank you guys for all the support. Thank you guys for all the views and stuff like that. It's actually making me want to do more videos, so I will be releasing as many videos as I can. Now, quick tip, once you are done setting all the things you want, what I recommend is just closing it and restarting it down here, because instead of, like, you know, signing out, it's actually a lot more easier, because once you restart it, everything will be there. So I'm going to go ahead and restart the computer. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.